So there we go. That is our social distancing champion, a very complicated design, a very fun challenge for me just to see if this was possible. I just came to Amazon to see what the competition will look like for social distancing champion. So I like this. I like the verbiage that I'm seeing is fairly consistent among all these shirts, which means that customers are coming here wanting a shirt with that saying on it. And I just thought that idea would kind of be funny to go along with something like this. So Google searching, and this one from 2018 really caught my eye as something that stood out. It's going to take some figuring out exactly how to get all these shapes and the shading of all this to look the way that I want it to, but I really do think we could create this inside of Spark, but using this social distancing and sash gouache theme to really be the through line of what we are designing. And we can just start designing. And I think the easiest way for me to do this is to split my screen. And then here we go. We've got our design that we're going to be using as inspiration on the top left here, and we've got our artboard all ready to rock and roll. So there we go. That is our social distancing champion, a very complicated design, a very fun challenge for me just to see if this was possible. I know we sped through a lot of the technical parts of this video. It's not because I didn't think that would be helpful. It was just because it took a lot longer than I thought. But if you'd like to see that full video, you can click the link down below. And personally, I love doing this content that's a little bit longer where I get to go more into detail. So if you guys would like to see that, you can comment just the word more down below. And if you'd like to see me create other designs using Spark, you can click this playlist over here. But until the next video, I'll see you guys around.